Wondering what's actually included in a Cotswold Walks holiday? I'm Andrew Guppy from Cotswold Walks, and in this video I'm going to talk through what's included in the price of our holidays, from accommodation, luggage transfers, to meals, to route notes and apps.
What's included in the price of a holiday?
You can have a free consultation with us by phone or by email so that we can provide free pre-tour information to help with your planning, working out the best time and dates for you, the best weather, the best season. So what's included in the cost of the tour is your accommodation, and it's bed and breakfast accommodation. So breakfast is included each day. There are luggage transfers, so we'll pick up your luggage at a designated time each morning when necessary and transfer it to the next accommodation. And we also provide detailed route notes and access to a walking app so that helps you to navigate along the way at moments of indecision. And also you have customer support, not only before and during, but even after the tour. So if there's anything that you need to ask, anything you're not sure of, please let us know and we're on hand to assist.
What type of accommodation do you use?
We tend to use family-run B&B accommodations. That would be our preference if there was enough available. But you can also upgrade to former coaching inns, iconic country hotels, manor houses. So we appreciate it's your budget and we want to tailor the tour as best meets your needs. The accommodation itself will always have an ensuite bathroom. That's a bathroom that's directly connected to the room, so you won't have to travel down the hall or share the facilities. If for any reason that's not available, we do make you aware of that before you pay us any deposit. One extra thing to consider about the price of the holiday, and something that's not included, we would urge people to take out travel insurance. If COVID pandemic taught us anything, it's to expect the unexpected. And so if you do have to cancel your tour, having travel insurance, and we can give you details of a provider specifically tailored towards our particular tours, is an essential part of any holiday, we feel, in order to give you peace of mind for the unexpected.
What meals are included?
In terms of meals that are included, then breakfast is included every morning. And we also make sure that along the way, during your tour, along the trail, there's somewhere to have lunch. It could be a simple cafe, it could be an iconic pub lunch. You could always take a picnic if you wanted. Each of the villages where you overnight, there are normally facilities available in the morning so that you can make those decisions before you depart. Our route notes will give you an indication of where there's places to stop for refreshments, that all-important loo break. And if you want, in the evenings, you have choices of places for dinner. So each of the little villages you stay in, there will always be somewhere to gain something to eat.
Can guests extend their stay or add extra nights?
Guests can extend their stay either at the beginning or at the end of their trip, or even during it, if you want to build in rest days to see a particular place of interest, an attraction, a garden, a castle, something of cultural interest. So let us know when you're planning your tour and we can build in those extra nights and then give you more freedom to explore the area as you wish. If you'd like to find out more, please contact us through the Cotswold Walks website or call us directly, and we'd be happy to plan and customize a trip to suit your needs.